Hello friends, here is a short and clear summary of Sita Haran and Ravana Vadh, the two key events from the Ramayana. While Lord Rama, Sita, and Lakshmana were living in exile in the forest, the demon King Ravana planned to take revenge for his sister Supnakha, whose nose Lakshmana had cut off. Ravana took help from the demon Maricha, who disguised himself as a golden deer to attract Sita's attention. Sita, enchanted by the deer, asked Rama to capture it. Rama followed the deer, and when he did not return, Sita sent Lakshmana to find him. And he is asking what happened, where Bhaiya has gone. Taking advantage of Sita's loneliness, Ravana disguised himself as a saint. Now you see, Lakshmana is going to see where is his brother, and he's putting the Lakshman Rekha so that she doesn't come out and nobody should take advantage of it. But in destiny, something else was written. So, taking advantage of Sita's loneliness, Ravana disguised himself as a saint. Now you see, and came to her hut and asking for the alms. Now it is his king form. He has come. Now he understood he cannot enter inside the hut. So he disguised himself as a saint. So now you see he'll be changing his roop and he will be coming inside to ask the alms. You see it, he has come and he is requesting for the alms and he is telling Sita to come out and give him something to eat. But now she is telling, I cannot come out, she is not safe. But he did not agree. And he is telling, you have to come out, then only I will take the alms. Now, when Sita is trying to safeguard herself, he is not listening. You see, now he is going to take the advantage. He is asking, you come out, I will take alms then only. When Sita stepping out to give him food, he revealed his true form and abducted her, and he will take in Pushpak Vimana. See, he is pulling her and he will take her to Lanka. Now you see he is taking her in Pushpak Vimana, the flying chariot. See, now Jatayu, the bird Jatayu, tried to stop Ravana, but he is being killed in the attempt. You see, both are fighting, but Jatayu could not be saved. So he could not save Sita in his attempt, and he is continuously fighting with Ravana and he could not win, and he got killed now. Now again Ravana is taking her, he is trying to take her to Lanka, he is putting all the efforts. Now Rama could see Jatayu. He is so wounded, he is just alive somehow. Rama understood what has happened. He is going now to search Ravana. Now with the help of Hanumana, Sugriva and his monkey army, Lord Rama reached Lanka after building a bridge over the sea. A fierce battle took place between Rama's army and Ravana forces. Rama is telling to give Sita back, but Ravana is not listening at all. He is telling, no, I will not give, you have to fight with me. Now both are fighting. Many brave warriors were killed in this battle. Ultimately, Rama faced Ravana in a great duel. Ravana is not listening. Rama, now they are fighting. Fighting. This fight is going on. Ravana is not listening. He is not agreeing to give Sita back. Now Rama has to use Brahmastra. He has to kill Ravana, then only he will understand what he has done. You see, they are fighting. See, Ravana is not listening at all. They are fighting badly. He doesn't know he will be killed in this battle. So Ravana putting all the efforts to fight, but he is not able to getting win. So Brahmastra is now used. Now Ravana is killed, ending his reign of evil, and now Sita Mata will be freed. Thank you so much, my friends, for listening the story. Thank you.